Welcome to the eBook Cover Design Masterclass. In this series, we'll delve into creating captivating ebook covers that entice readers and boost your book's visibility. Your ebook cover is the first thing readers see, so making a strong impression is crucial. Learn essential tips to ensure your cover captures your content's essence and stands out on digital shelves. No budget for a designer? No problem. Follow our tutorial using free or affordable design tools to craft an eye-catching cover and unleash your creativity. Explore the importance of selecting the right images and sourcing high-quality, royalty-free ones that align with your content and captivate your audience. Typography influences readability and sets the tone of your book. Discover techniques to design compelling cover text that grabs attention and stands out. Explore how colors evoke emotions and perceptions, and learn to leverage color theory to create covers that resonate with your audience. Stay updated with current design trends to create covers that feel fresh and relevant, inspiring you to design with confidence. Submit your cover for constructive feedback from experts and peers, ensuring continual improvement in your design skills. If DIY isn't your style, learn how to choose the right designer or service to bring your vision to life within your budget and style preferences. Dive into real-life examples of successful covers, analyzing their features and discussing their impact on sales and reader engagement. Revitalize your ebook's visibility and sales by exploring strategies for rebranding your cover and attracting new readers. Thank you for joining our ebook cover design masterclass. We hope these tips help you craft stunning covers that elevate your author brand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on ebook publishing and design. Happy designing!